Let's welcome Dr. Laird!
Have you seen me do this before?
No.
Okay. I do a thing that I have been specializing in for a while online. It is called Ask Dr. Laird, that's me, your stupid astronomy questions. And by stupid I mean there are two kinds. You can either be stupid or ask me stupid questions. Either way, I will treat you differently. If you ask me if you are stupid, I'll be kind. If you're asking me a stupid question, I will not be. So it depends. Now, I've realized for a while in this room that basically none of you have absolutely any idea what astronomy is. This has come to me, unfortunately, it's come to me sort of late in life that really nobody else cares but me about astronomy. So on the basis of that, I have prepared some cue cards. And I think, so it'll help you along, because I need the questions, you see. So here is your hints, okay? This is everything you need to know about astronomy except the answers, okay? You ask me the questions, I give you the answers, okay? So you need to give me the questions, otherwise I'm just going to stand here and rot. Okay? Go.
Shout them out. If
You have to shout them out.
How many Venuses can you fit into Uranus?
That's neither stupid nor astronomy, so I'm just going to leave it go. Okay, next. Yes, I hear nothing. Listen, I went ahead and prepared all this, and I got nothing.
Wait, let me see it. And that was, you made my mistake, the worst sign to date. That's astrology, not astronomy.
No, that's astronomy.
That's exactly, someone asked you what's the worst sign to date.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
Oh yeah, that's what someone shouted out.
Oh, that's astrology.
Exactly, that's astrology.
Never mind. No,
so, okay, for life, I want to ask something about life.
Life, okay, go ahead.
Now, do you think, okay, so how do you think life started on Earth? What do you think is the best possible theory? What's most likely?
Okay, life on Earth. So basically, things become more complicated over time. And complexity breeds more complexity. So all you need to do is get something, anything, that reproduces itself at all.
Yes.
Once you get anything that reproduces itself, it improves itself. And it keeps on doing that until basically it comes on stage tonight. Next question. Question, please. I need a question. Otherwise, I have lectures. I can lecture.
How do you think life will end on this planet?
Nuclear war. Thank you very much. How will life end on this planet? Nuclear war. Thank you. There's lots of other ways, but my favorite is nuclear war.
Okay, no wait. Something that you discussed previously being here is you do have moon rock in your closet.
I do have moon rock. It's actually moon dust.
Would you be able to again speak on that really quickly, and then I'll have a follow-up question.
Okay, so I have moon dust in my closet because when I was in graduate school, that was during the Apollo era. My laboratory downstairs in the space studies building at Cornell received a small moon rock, and they cut it up and did stuff with it. And I had nothing to do with that. But on the other hand, I lived in the building pretty much 24/7. So when nobody was there, I went into the laboratory, which wasn't locked, and there was a saw that had been used to cut the moon rock. So what I did is I took a napkin and rubbed it on the saw and left the room. with the napkin. And I have that in my closet to this day. But that's what I've got.
Well, so then my follow-up question with that is, with this, I think that we have things that are like, precious with this, things that are like mark different things in our career. Do you have any other items that are like that have that preciousness and that tie into your career?
Yeah, I have another little precious thing, but it's not too precious, but it's sort of, to me it is.
Mm-hmm.
When the Apollo astronauts, Apollo 8,
Yeah.
when Apollo 8 went around the moon and it didn't land, and it was just designed to just go around and come back, Frank Borman and Anders, I forget his first name, when they went down to the moon, they took the first pictures of something called Earthrise. The Earth rose above the moon. And when they saw that, they grabbed that camera and they took a lot of pictures of Earthrise. I have the film strip of the Earth. It's not the original, of course, but it's a duplicate of the first Earthrise. It's amazing. Right. So with the time I have left, because I'm getting, I thought this would get me questions, and it got me nothing. So I'm never going to do this again.
Oh no, it's really good.
I
find it to be very helpful.
I think it's good. Look at that. All these things, and you don't have any questions about this at all?
Why does the sun burn so much?
Why does it burn so much? Once upon a time, there was a time when the sun wasn't burning enough. And that was not, of course, it was always doing what it always did. But from early on, we knew that the Earth was billions of years old, because we had this thing called geology. But what we didn't know was how the sun managed to create enough, was around a long enough time for it to do the geology thing. We didn't know what the sun burned, because we hadn't done anything. We didn't have E equals mc squared. When we had E equals mc squared, we figured it out. But before that, all we knew was that the sun, at some point, came together from gases, and as it did that, it heated up, and it heated up, and it became very, very hot, and that was enough to make a sun. But it wouldn't last more than a few million years, not billions of years. So the sun could not have created the Earth. The sun did not have enough energy to create the Earth. It took Einstein and the people after him to figure out that, the sun burns hydrogen into helium. And that's what works. And it's been doing that for 4.5 billion years, and it's going to do it for another 4.5 billion years, but it's going to basically burn out the Earth in 1 billion years. So basically, we've got 1 billion years left if we don't knock ourselves off the surface, right? And because it could happen within 30 minutes of right now, we could all be gone. Bye.
Dr. Laird! All right, let's keep it going for Dr. Laird. Isn't that fucking great? Isn't that? 30 minutes from now, what a relief. I'm sorry, I'm just so fascinated by it. I'm so interested in it. Thank you for doing this. I enjoy it deeply. Doris, can we get one more round of applause for Dr. Laird? It's fucking cool.